there may be different filters that you may have applied onto your report. And if you don't know about adding filters, you may want to view my lesson 13 on Google Data Studio on how to filter out data. So if you have done that, then what happens is that you can manage out filtered data. How? You can go around into a resource right here and then go around into manage filters. So once you do that, you know what filters you have. Let's say, for example, here you can see that I have already added in filters. Let's say, for example, there's a price filter and it includes the price greater than 600 right here, just like this. You can also go around and add a filter right here. And let's say I am going to include out and select a field right here and select a price. And I'm going to go around and say less than, let's say, for example, 1000 right here. So this is another filter I can add, or I can add in an or condition as well and click on save. And once you do that, another filter has been added out and the filter over here is all there. So if you want to remove out or duplicate out a filter, you can click on duplicate. It duplicates right here. And you can edit it and change the range right here, just like this. So if you're taking the same parameters, then you can go around and change that out over there as well. Let me just go around onto manage filter right here. And if you want to remove out filter, then you can go around and click on remove and remove filter. And then this is what you have. And that is how you can manage out filters inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.